Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to add an status on WhatsApp web. So let's start. It's very easy. Just let's go to WhatsApp web. I'm here. So let's go to the menu in the left side. We will find options here and just let's go to status here. Then let's go here to the plus symbol. Let's click here and just click in what you want to add, photos and videos or just text. So in this case, let's add text and just write what you want to add here. So for example, hello. Okay, you can add stickers or emojis here. For example, let's add this one. Okay, and also you can add more text or change the font here like this and change the color, change the background in the status. Now that you finish this, just press the symbol send and you will check the status here like this one. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.